Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to hide your crosshair in Crosshair X. All right, so first up, the first option is by using the toggle keys. So by default, the toggle keys are Shift, Alt, plus Z. So as you can see here, mine is still enabled because I'm using the game bar extension. Okay, Shift, Alt, plus Z. Okay, again, Shift, Alt, plus Z. As you can see, it's gone. That's how you hide it. Now, another option, let's open up Crosshair X right here. Now, what we're going to do is just go ahead over to keybinds, okay? Now, in the keybind section, you have the option here, aiming, all right? When you press right-click or hold right-click, the action should be hide crosshair, or just hold, okay? So let's just go ahead and select that option, and let's enable our crosshair right here. So I'm going to go ahead and press right click or hold right click. And as you can see, it's gone. All right. Hold it and it'll be gone. That's the second option. That's basically it. That is how you hide your crosshair in Crosshair X. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.